How should we, who envy the access that our European and Canadian brothers and sisters have to cheaper pharmaceuticals, think about our own system in comparison to theirs?
You could think about it two ways. One is, if you're altruistic, you could say, we're the country that's helping to drive most of the major medical innovation in the world. The United States is still the number one market and still the number one place for approvals. And because people know that they can make their money out of it in the United States, on the back of our citizens and our system here, I'm not arguing that at all. But we most of the time get the therapy first, get exposure to some of the best therapies that are available.
Okay, that's if we're being altruistic. What if we're not altruistic? We just want to live. How should we think about it then?
I'm a consumer, so I pay for these things too. So I get it. And I hate seeing these drugs that are generics, in particular, going up by 100% in the span of 5 years when there's no reason to do that other than these generic companies are trying to maximize their profits. And they're not putting the profits back into doing more good research and development. They're just putting the profits into their pockets. Now, that drives me crazy. I can see some need for righting that particular part of the ship. But in general, I think most drug therapy...
It sounded like you were going to say, I can see some need for regulation.
No, that doesn't ever come out of my mouth.
But no, you don't see a need for regulation, even in the situation you just described.
I don't know what it will take. I don't know if it's regulation, if it's law, if it's an act of Congress, if it's a signing of the pen. I don't know. Whatever it is, I think that's something that needs to be looked at and going forward. If you look at holistically, most drugs are much, much more cost effective than the alternative.
You always make me think. I despise that. But nonetheless, I love you. Thank you very much, Rick. Would portfolio managers invest in drugs that promised only ridiculous profits instead of obscene ones? If international pharmaceutical research is being financed by gouging American consumers, do you feel altruistic today? What would it take to right the ship of U.S. pharmaceutical costs? I would love to know your thoughts. And if you like this video, please like this video. In fact, just right now, just like it. Just right there, go like it. Press like. And if you'd like to be updated when I make new videos, please subscribe. So please comment, like, subscribe, and science the day.